Hi everyone, this is Take a Shop. When people talk about improving the performance of a turntable, they usually focus on things like replacing the stylus, upgrading the cartridge, replacing capacitors. But today, I'd like to suggest something else. Have you ever checked your turntable's insulators? Most people haven't. An insulator does more than just support the turntable. Its job is to isolate the turntable from external vibrations and prevent those vibrations from reaching the platter and tone arm. The problem is that many vintage SL-1200 turntables are now approaching 50 years old, and that means many of their original insulators are nearly 50 years old as well. For a rubber component, that's a very long time. Over the years, rubber hardens, shrinks, cracks, and loses its original properties. So today, I'd like to show you how to tell if your SL-1200 insulators are still healthy and what happens when they are replaced. Let's take a look. First, let's inspect the insulators. On an original SL-1200 insulator, there should be a visible gap between the metal bezel and the lower rubber section. On a well-preserved unit, that gap can be around 5 millimeters. As the rubber ages, it gradually shrinks and loses height. The gap becomes smaller and smaller. Eventually, the rubber section rests directly on the metal bezel. This is the critical point. The insulator was designed so that the rubber carries the load. But once the rubber sits on the metal bezel, the load is no longer supported only by the rubber. In other words, the vibration isolation system is no longer working as originally intended. If there is no gap left between the rubber and the bezel, I would consider that insulator effectively dead. So, how much difference does it actually make? To find out, I compared an aged original insulator with a replacement insulator produced using 3D printing. For the test, I used wooden building blocks, a heavy book, and a smartphone. The smartphone was running an app called Phyphox, which uses the phone's built-in accelerometer to measure vibration. To keep the measurements consistent, I marked the smartphone position on the platter using masking tape. That way, every test was performed from exactly the same location. I then applied impacts to the desk using both the wooden blocks and the book. Each configuration was tested 10 times. Let's start with the wooden block test. As you can see, there was very little difference between the two insulators. For smaller impacts, even the aged original insulator still seems to provide some level of isolation. Now let's look at the heavy book test. Here are the results. This time, the difference is much more noticeable. Across all 10 tests, the replacement insulator consistently showed lower vibration levels. Average peak vibration was reduced by approximately 19%. Maximum peak vibration was reduced by approximately 31%. Now, this does not mean the sound quality improves by 19%. And of course, this is only one type of vibration test. Different environments, different frequencies, and different types of vibration may produce different results. However, under these test conditions, the replacement insulator clearly transmitted less vibration than the aged original one. But the most important takeaway is not the percentage itself. The real point is restoring the turntable to the condition its designers intended. The SL-1200 is an exceptionally well-engineered machine, and maintaining that original design is often more important than chasing upgrades. So if your SL-1200 has collapsed insulators, no visible gap between the rubber and bezel, uneven height from one corner to another, it may be worth taking a closer look. After all, the insulators are the only parts of the turntable that are actually touching the outside world. Take a few moments and inspect yours. You might discover that your insulators have been dead for years. Thanks for watching. At Take a Shop, we regularly share maintenance, repair, and restoration videos focused on vintage Technics turntables. We also sell professionally serviced turntables and replacement parts through our eBay and Shopify stores. Be sure to check the links in the description below. Thank you for watching.